Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to TECNO Pop 8. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to see that app, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then hit OK. Now you can click on Close in Wait pop-ups at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on Nokia, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom, and then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. It's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!